ears. But you have down ears and up ears.
Where are we going now, Qeenie?
To sun.
We're going to the mall. We're going to go have lunch at the Spur. We're going to have lunch at the Spur.
And then we sit on our tables.
Yes.
And then we sit on our chairs.
Yes.
This is dark and this is light.
Yes. Qeenie boy, I love you.
It's a dark. What is this here around his neck?
What is it? It's a leash.
No,
What is it? A collar.
a puppet.
What is that?
A puppet.
I don't know what that is.
I want you to make this right.
Okay, my
You to
baby.
make the hair right.
Okay, my baby. I love you.
Like that.
Yes. I missed you. I'm gonna get ready now, then we're gonna go to the mall.
Like that.
Yes. What's the dog's name?
Chase.
Chase. And what's your name?
Chase.
Both of you.
Yes. This is my dog.
Okay.
And let's have a hat on
Yeah.
his head.
Okay. He looks very cute now.
But
What colors is he? What color is that?
Pink.
Okay, and what color is this?
Light blue.
And this?
White.
And this?
Green.
Yo, good boy. And this here by the neck, what color is that?
Orange.
You are such a clever boy.
The dog.
It's a dog, yes. Whoop. Okay, we're gonna play now. Is she? Is she doggy? Can we go woof woof? Woof woof. What does the doggy say? Woof woof. Jen, go, Weedy! Hello everyone, we're going out today. We're going to Kenilworth Centre, we're going to Spur. Look who's there at the back. Qeenie and Dippy. Okay guys, we're back inside. We were in the car, was saying we're going now to Spur, and the car didn't want to start. And I can't take an Uber. So now we're back, all dressed up, nowhere to go. But we're gonna make it fun, ne? Yes. We're gonna order Spur, and it must come to us. Qeenie. We make it work. Yeah, leave that open. It's slicker. That's a nice breeze. Yes. So we're gonna have a little Spur treat here, and we're gonna eat here at home. And it's super hot outside, so maybe it's working out. And the malls are super full. It was just would have been nice to just get out. Maybe tomorrow morning we can go for breakfast there. I just want to go out, you see. So yeah. It's not meant to be. Het was niet zo uitgesit nie. Uh-oh. And Sunny bluff. Okay, next clip is when we're gonna eat our food. I'll show you how it came, the Spur.
Yes. Mommy, my show is red, Labo is yellow, and Chase is blue.
The order arrived.
And Star is blue.
Did you see the earlier clip where we switched on the car and it didn't want to go and we went, uh-oh. But yeah, we're going to sort it out Monday morning. We did call the place, but they don't have, the service guys are not there. So we have to stay put until Monday to sort it out.
Mommy, now this one.
No, it's supposed to be.
Do.
Qeenie, come show the people what gifts you got.
Yes, lollipop.
I wonder what is this. Ah, it's leaf.
Pizza!
Get plates. Okay, rather take it out that side. What is this?
Pizza.
It's the ribs. Oh.
Green and blue and red.
So it's one rib for me, one rib for you, one rib for Opa.
Told you I should make.
Okay guys, our food has arrived. We're very happy. We're actually glad we didn't go.
Mama, don't cheese.
And we're gonna enjoy ourselves now, and I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, it's Sunday morning. Yesterday was fantastic. We were disappointed for about 5 minutes when we realized there's something wrong with the car. It didn't want to start, and we were like, oh, what's happening? What are we gonna do? But then when the food arrived, we were fine. And we had a good time, and it actually worked out that we stayed at home. I think next time I'm going to go out when the car's fixed. They're coming to sort it out tomorrow morning. And yeah, then we'll do some things. Okay, so this part is to show you guys the behind the scenes and things I get to make these videos, these cooking videos for you guys. The behind the scenes. I wake up with an idea, I go sleep with an idea, then I go online, get the ingredients, and I make these videos for you guys so that you guys can enjoy it to the fullest. Okay, I always buy fruit. It helps with my photo shoots, and I use it to make salads, smoothies. When the children come, when visitors come, there's something for them to eat and nibble. And I got this nice golden delicious apples and this honey sweet apples. I got some flowers for my photo shoots as well, my videos. Hey, Sunny, say hello, Sunny. Okay, and then I got some more fruit, and these are the flowers that I'm going to use in the photo shoots. Look at that, so beautiful. Looky. And I got some watermelon as well for my recipes and photo shoots. And there's the apricots, the cling peaches, and my pears. That's for salads or for cooking or whatever I think of as I'm thinking of what I'm going to make next. Okay, so that's that part of my summer haul, my groceries that I get. Okay, let's move on. Okay, on this side, where do I begin? Begin at the very beginning. And there, of course, I must wash up. Sally's gone home to the Eastern Cape, and she's gone to her family, and she'll be back next year, mid-January. So my niece is coming to help me, my 2 nieces. So I've got lots of greens. This is for some summer salads. I make a salad twice a day. And when we have it just so on its own or with some protein, some chicken or something. I've got the long French baguette rolls, nice and crispy. This is to put on butter and cheese and tomato for the boys. And then I'm going to make a video where I need the cherries, Maraschino cherries, and a photo shoot. So that's what I got. Sunny Streets. I'm also going to do a video using chili, so that's what I got. Tabasco sauce, it was on sale, 20 Rand less, so I had to get it. And of course, I'm also going to use it for some of my videos. My water, some squashy. All this is for the videos for December and photo shoots for you guys. So excited. Gem squash, usemos squashy. The sweet corn, your grapes. You'll see as the videos come and the photos come, you'll see all of these appear in the videos. Some asparagus. I've got this nice mix of fresh garlic and ginger and chili that I just use for my curry. I've got some cream that I'm using for a recipe. And now I've got some nice shallots. I'm using these as well. This is all the ingredients. Some more salad. And I love these. It's got the stem on. So I buy 2 of this. And this I use as well. Some eggs. And then I got bananas. And I'm going to use this as well. The chives for a recipe. And the fruit. I've got some sliced mango, pineapple, strawberries, snack time, of course. And that's it. I'm going to show you again what else I'm getting as I go along for this few weeks. But look out for all the videos. I'm bringing out more videos with Festive, with Fairfield Meat Center. I'm going to be doing a seafood mix acne, turkey legs, sriracha turkey legs. I want to make a delicious lamb knuckle curry with flaky roti. I'm going to make beef fillet. I'm going to be making, what else is there? Oh yes, the chicken, barbecue chicken. And there's one more thing. Is there? Yeah, that's it. And then I'll see what else I'm going to be making, something special for you guys. And there we go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Enjoy your Sunday.